Hi. Today we will discuss another burning topic, which is India's forex reserves have increased to $493 billion and which are the highest till date. For your information, India's forex reserves in 1991, when we had balance of payment crisis, were just $5.8 billion. Now, what are forex reserves? Forex reserves are external assets which are held by the central bank, and these external assets they are used to pay foreign liabilities. Then India's forex reserve has been $493 billion and it is expected that they will be soon reaching $500 billion. Out of this $493 billion, it's bifurcated or it's divided into that we have foreign currency assets, we have gold, we have SDR, that is special drawing rights issued by IMF, and then we have got RTP, reserve transposition. SDR and RTP we will discuss in some other article, in some other video. Out of this $493 billion, the foreign currency asset, it is $455 billion, more than 90%. Then $32 billion is gold. So we have gold worth of $32 billion. Then we have RTP worth of $4.2 billion and $1.4 billion is of SDRs. If I talk about gold, which is of $32 billion, of the $32 billion, we have gold worth of 653 tons. We have 653 tons of gold with us. Out of that 653 tons of gold, 360 tons of gold is with Bank of England and Bank for International Settlements. In foreign currency assets, which is the $455 billion, in that $455 billion, 64% is with, we have T-bills of foreign countries of that. So we have purchased T-bills of foreign countries and we earn interest on that T-bills. Then 28% it is deposited with foreign central banks and 7.4% has been deposited in commercial banks of foreign countries. So we have very limited of foreign currency assets with us in liquid form. We don't have it in cash form. It won't happen that we have a cupboard and lot of money. We have a safe and money is kept in that. No. We have deposited money in central banks of other countries. We have deposited money in commercial banks of other countries, and we have also bought T-bills of other countries. Then why is the forex reserve continuously increasing? The forex reserve has been continuously increasing because RBI has been continuously buying dollars from the banks. And why is there surplus dollars with the bank? Because of two reasons. First reason is there has been inflow of dollars because of inflow of FDI and FPI. And another reason is there is decreased outflow because of decreased imports and also decreased foreign travel. So both inflow is increasing and outflow is decreasing, which is leading to increase of dollars with the banks, and RBI is purchasing those dollars. And because of this inflow and less of outflow, rupee is also appreciating. And another thing which comes into mind is import cover. Import cover is number of months we will be able to import using our forex reserve. So current forex reserve we will be able to import for 1 year. We have an import cover of 1 year. I assume that you have understood why our forex reserve is increasing, what's the composition of it, and how can it be used. So if we have more forex reserve, obviously if we have any exchange rate variation, if FPIs, FDIs suddenly go out of India, then this forex reserve will be of huge benefit to us. That's it with this video. Thank you.